Hey guys, it's me, 𝙂𝙚𝙧. You're probably wondering why I'm dressed like this. Well, it's Saturday. We're at the end of January almost, and we hit minus 29 Celsius. That's minus 20 Fahrenheit here this morning. It's around 7 o'clock. Pretty frosty. Luckily there's no wind outside. It's pretty cold. So we're going to do another cold start and see how the Trax handles the cold. And we're also going to check up on the booster pack that we have too. It's been in there 2 weeks now, and it was fully charged last time at minus 17, so we're almost double that. Let's check on those two things. All right, guys, we're in the Trax now. Pretty darn cold out here. Oh my gosh, I have a tripod that's hooked up to my GoPro, and I got a little snow in my hand, and my hand froze to the tripod, which is, I think, aluminum. Man, all right, let's start this up and see how it goes. Okay, one thing of advice: don't start it right away. I heard once in this battery video, expert on batteries, he says if a car's been sitting for a while, turn it on and let the molecules in the battery work and then start it. So let's try this out. Oh yeah, she sounds rough. Actually, not that bad. It was a little bit of a rough start at the beginning there. Let's see what the temperature is on here. I have to excuse me, I got my my dongle in there. I'll leave a link up in the cards for that. Takes a few seconds. Actually, I just gotta press that and go right to temperature. Yeah, so it's reading minus 25 now. Give or take a few Celsius. Can't even talk this morning. Holy crap. Okay, so we're gonna check up on the booster pack. Being cold out, it is a beautiful morning though. Look at that sunrise. So we're about 7:30 right now. When I took the temperature readings this morning, it was about 6 o'clock. So I mean, it's rising a bit, and of course you can see the snowplow went by this morning. The snowplow looks like Mount Fuji out there. So I gotta clean that up later. But we're supposed to get another 10 centimeters. We got a guy down the street cleaning there. Oh boy, what a winter. All right, let's check this out. Yeah, it's still showing full, so that's good. That's after 2 weeks, and I mean, we've had cold temperatures. From now on till the next couple weeks, I think we're supposed to get minus 20 lows. That's in Celsius. Guys, I also recommend you carry one of these all year round. You never know, you get stuck on the road. It's got a bunch of different things in it. I'll leave you the links below and in the cards as well, so check that out. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for now. I'm a little cold. I've only been out here maybe 10 minutes and I'm frozen already. Anyways, until the next video. Speaking of the next video, I'm probably gonna do a tire pressure monitor sensor tire relearner video. I have a device that does that for those who like to change their own tires. Do a little short how-to, so stay tuned to that. Until that video, until next time, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Check out my link tree. I'll leave the links in the description below. Also, if you need to email me, if you want to email me, I know some companies even have reached out to me on products to review. So I'll leave the email on the screen. Till next time, have a good one, stay safe, stay warm, and we'll see you in the next one.